Mastering Project Custom Fields. In this section, we'll guide you through defining and setting up custom fields for your projects. The primary benefit of using custom fields in Zistemo is their flexibility, allowing you to customize project details to meet your specific needs. For example, as a lawyer, you might include a case number for each project, or as a medical professional, you might track a patient's health insurance number. Custom fields are ideal for adding these personalized data points to enhance your project. To begin, navigate to Project Settings, Custom Fields. Here, you can input data into your predefined custom fields such as date, checkbox, or pick list, types of custom fields. Here's a brief overview of the available custom field types. Text. Enter a string of up to 255 characters. Date. Select a date. Checkbox. Define a simple checkbox, staff dropdown. Choose a staff member from your Zistemo account. Pick list. Select an item from a predefined drop-down list. Multi-selection. Choose multiple items from a predefined drop-down list. Only administrators can create new custom fields for projects. To do so, navigate to Settings, Preferences, Custom Fields. Under the Project Custom Field section, you can add and manage custom fields. Let's create a simple project phase or milestone tracker, which will indicate the current phase of a project. This will help your team quickly understand the project status at a glance. Click on Add New Project Custom Field. In the form that appears, enter the name of the field. For this example, use Project Phase. Choose the pick list field type. Input the 4 predefined phases: planning, development, review, completion. Click Save to store the new custom project field in your database. Return to Project Information, Custom Fields, where you will see the new Project Phase field. You can now update the phase to any of the predefined options. For more details, please refer to our knowledge base or contact customer support for further assistance.